Oh, here we are at the Birds of Prey dedication point. This is a sign that they have. Hunters on the wing, identifying raptors. The SRBOPA was established to protect crucial prey populations and hunting territories in addition to nesting sites for the raptors. This map shows some typical raptor hunting territories and how these territories relate to the SRBOPA boundaries. The Snake River Birds of Prey, SRBOPA, contains the greatest known concentration of raptors in North America. Dedication Point, where you are standing, is one of the densest areas for raptors in the SRBOPA. So where are all the raptors? Like most predators, birds of prey are solitary hunters with well-defined territories. Each nesting pair stakes out a territory and defends it against others. Consequently, even here in the SRBOPA, there are usually fewer than 5 raptor nests per mile off a cliff, miles of the cliff. The largest number of raptors is present during the nesting season between March 1st and June 15th. The best time to view these birds is during the early morning hours and when a light breeze is blowing. With patience and a careful eye, you may see some of the raptors illustrated here, all of which nest in the vicinity. There's the golden eagle, the red-tailed hawk, golden eagle, red-tailed hawk, common raven, northern harrier, prairie falcon, and the American crestal. I'd read y'all that stuff, but not too much. Down there is the Snake River. People are out there boating out there. I think they're on a raft there. Other people are driving or just taking it easy, maybe fishing or something down there. I see somebody down there by that van down there. Looks like they're taking a swim. So, from Dedication Point, we're out.